Hi everyone, in this video I will show you a tutorial for hosting your AI website builder. So first, open your Chrome and search up Hostinger Horizon. Hostinger Horizon. And here, click on this link. Then after that, you can either log in to your account or start for free. I will click on start for free. And then log in with my Gmail. And here, as you can see, this is what will it look like after you sign up or log in. And here, you can add an informational sentences on what website you want to create. For example, I want to create fitness website with 3 plans for abs and shoulders. And then I will click on this, and now let's just wait for it to load up. And now, as you can see, the web app or website has been made. Now if you want more adjustments, simply type it in here. And if you're okay with this, simply click on publish to publish it. Also, you can preview what it will look like on the mobile phone. There you go, it will look like this. And that's basically it.